Dear friends, very congratulations for the 23rd anniversary of our company. About 17 years back, when I joined this company, I was zero in water treatment knowledge. I was entirely from the different field. I was not having ABC of the water treatment, of not knowing anything. And I was hesitant and worried कि how can I succeed in this company. But it is Sarkar Sahab who assured me that don't worry, I will tell you it is not a very difficult thing. I am also from mechanical engineer, you also from mechanical engineer, you can very well do it. And he is such an excellent trainer, motivator, guide, that from zero he could make me what you see now. I am here just because of his support. It may be technical, it may be emotional, it may be anything, financial, everything, every step. He trained me so well. He brought me in such a way that I could learn and I could do and I could do something for the company. I thank Sarkar Sahab for all his support, and not only professional. If you see my family background, personal life, I was in very poor financial condition. I was very much worried that how will I teach my children, how for their education, for their marriage. I was so much worried. But always at every step, he assured me, supported me, motivated me that don't worry, I'm here. And just because of him, my children could complete their education. They are well settled now in the life and in their profession. And for I could marry my two daughters just because of his support and his all at every stage. When I had joined the company, it was just beginning, I can say, we were doing some water treatment plants and RO plants. We just had started sewage treatment, which was just approximately means you can say that post septic tank filtration kind of the tertiary treatment. But because of his support and all the teamwork of my colleagues, we could develop aerobic system, STP, SMBR, SRBR, and now which is the major chunk of the business what we are doing now, sewage treatment. We are well known in the market. We are having the recognition of the performance of perfect design, performance of our STPs and all the other treatment plants, because we are having the perfect design as well as the best performance and the strong service support to the customers for the plants. Recently we developed the soundless system. That is because the blower are having the noise. So that is the main problem. Because of this, many people don't run the STPs. So we developed the jet aerator system, which is having the very low noise or no soundless system, which are getting again the popular. We expanded in that period our solar system as well as the the fire extinguisher system, and now we are working on the value addition of the sewage treatment plants, because many people although it is a perfect system, design, performance, everything, but many users or clients are not using the system because of the high cost of the operation and maintenance. And that in that operational cost, major cost is electricity. So we have decided and we are working very in the strong way to develop the system where we will generate the electricity along with the sewage treatment of them, which will reduce the cost, or maybe it will be a nil cost to the electricity. Moreover, we may get the plus electricity from the system along with the sewage treatment. And that will be another milestone in our career and our success story. And it is going to be a turning point, and it is a great success. And all this has become possible because of the support of the Sarkar Sahab and all our team members. Thank you so much, Sarkar sir, and thanks a lot to all our team members. Thank you.